So this is a great photo taken of the You-Yangs, apparently taken outside of a moving car, actually, from a colleague of mine. But the problem is that we've got the power lines in the shot, and it would be great to be able to take those out. So let's see what we can do with Photoshop to take those out. So I would recommend going into getting the patch tool, grabbing that tool and selecting the power line area. We're making sure that you just select the area that is similar in color. So notice the clouds behind are a lighter area. So I'm just going to select that part of the picture and then just patch that out. Notice how you just select a piece, you then drag it into another area that's a similar color, and then it will replace, it sort of blends the two areas together. So you just have to try it out to see what I mean. Now this is a very rushed version. I've sped up the video here, but I've tried to do it in a hurry by just grabbing large sections at a time. As you can see, I've grabbed some large chunks at once, and by doing that I found that the picture didn't turn out so good. You'll notice that the clouds look quite different when you compare the original to the new one. So I think it's better off. Let's try it all again, but this time I'm just going to zoom in closer using the patch tool, and I'm going to make sure that I just do a smaller section at a time. Just take my time with it. While we're at it, let's use the clone stamp tool to clone out this little building down here, which isn't the best looking building, so we can take that out completely. I have got other videos on how to use the clone stamp, so you can check that out. We can also do some adjustments to the brightness, darkness, contrast and saturation, going into the adjustments area and playing around with curves and playing around with the saturation levels, and I think we end up with a much better looking photo in the end. So here's our original photo compared with the changes.